Hello children, how are you? Today we are going to start with our standard 8th grammar chapter number 8, that is active and passive voice. Now dear children, please be careful while understanding the rules of this chapter. This is a very important chapter. Okay, so if you understand the rules very properly, it's very easy for you to change the sentences from one voice to another voice. So today we'll start with that chapter, that is active and passive voice. Okay, so before moving on to this chapter, I would like to first explain you about the rules related to this chapter. Now here I am showing you a PDF in which the rules are written of each tenses, in which voice which rule is to be applied for this. Now here see how the tense changes in the passive voice. If it is given, the question is given in active voice and you have to change it to passive voice. First of all, there are two types of voices in this. One is active and passive voice. Now in this active voice, this one active voice, what is there in that the word by is not used, but in passive voice you have to use the word by when you are changing that sentence. Okay, now in that, first of all, the subject in the active voice is the doer, that time it is active, and in the passive voice that doer becomes the receiver, that is in passive voice, and we add by before that subject. Okay, so इसमें doer और receiver दो होते हैं. In that, when you are changing from active to passive, the doer becomes the receiver and the receiver becomes the doer. वो दोनों interchange हो जाते हैं. Now here see, I will explain you so it will be more clear to you. In that, first of all, that is in present tense. In simple present tense, if the sentence is given as say if कि they make cars in Germany, अब SES या विदाउट S वाला वर्ड होगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेक इज द वर्ब. वर्ब आपको देखना है और यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई कि इट इज़ इन विच टेंस. वर्ब देख के आपको समझना है कि वो कौन सा टेंस है, एंड देन उसके बाद ही आप उस पर रूल अप्लाई कर सकते हो. सो इधर मेक वर्ब है, मेक है वो प्रेजेंट टेंस का वर्ब है. अब इसमें डूअर है दे और रिसीवर है कार्स. ठीक है, दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं इसमें. तो ये पीछे चला जाएगा और ये आगे आ जाएगा, और इसमें क्या चेंजेस करना है. वेन एवर इट इज़ इन सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, तो आपको जब पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज कर रहे हो, दैट टाइम यू हैव टू ऐड इज एम आर प्लस वो वर्ब का V3 फॉर्म लगाना है. सो इज एम आर और उसके साथ मेक का V3 फॉर्म हो जाएगा मेड. तो सेंटेंस कैसे बनेगा, कार्स और ज़्यादा है तो आर लगाओगे, आर एंड V3 फॉर्म मेड इन जर्मनी, एंड हियर इट इज़ नॉट रिटन, यू कैन राइट कि कार्स आर मेड इन जर्मनी बाय दे का हो जाएगा देम, ऐसे सेंटेंस. इफ़ यू डोंट राइट इट्स ओके, एंड इफ़ यू राइट इट्स वेल एंड गुड. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट टेंस, दैट इज़ प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस. अगर सेंटेंस है वो प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में है, जैसे दिया हुआ है वर्ब में होगा इज एम आर और ING फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. जैसे सेंटेंस इज मदर इज बेकिंग अ केक, इज बेकिंग इज प्लस ING फॉर्म, दैट इज प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस. ऐसे आइडेंटिफाई करना है. अब इसमें ये मदर है वो डूअर है एंड केक इज द रिसीवर, दे बोथ विल बी इंटरचेंज. एंड उसमें क्या लगाना है, जब भी कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में वर्ड आएगा, दैट टाइम यू हैव टू यूज़, कोई भी कंटिन्यूअस हो, प्रेजेंट पास्ट, बट यू हैव टू यूज़ दिस वर्ड बीइंग इन बोथ द कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, एंड विद दैट यू हैव टू यूज़ द V3 फॉर्म. तो इज एम आर प्लस बीइंग प्लस V3 फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. दिस वे द फॉर्म विल चेंज इन पैसिव वॉइस. तो हाउ द सेंटेंस विल बिकम अ केक, एंड सिंगुलर है तो इज आप लगाओगे, बीइंग बेक्ड बाय मदर, ऐसे. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट, दैट इज सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. मतलब इसमें होंगे V2 फॉर्म वर्ब्स एक्टिव वॉइस में. दैट व्हेन इट इज मीन्स राइट, हियर इट इज रोट का प्रेजेंट फॉर्म इधर लिखा हुआ है. एक्चुअली दिस सेंटेंस इज इन पास्ट टेंस. रोट, J.D. Salinger wrote द कैचर ऑफ द रे. Now, जब it is in simple past tense, that time what you have to do? You have to add was where and you have to write the V3 form of the verb over here. V3 is compulsory in all the tenses. सभी tenses में V3 form is very compulsory. So how it will change? This receiver will come in the starting. The catch in the array was, it is single, so was लगाओगे. Written by J.D. Salinger. Now again next one in past continuous, same thing as you did it in present continuous, only this be verb will change. It will be was were plus ing form. मतलब they were watching TV when I got home. It is given were watching, so that is past continuous. Now it will change how? In that I told you in previous one also, in continuous you have to use the word being. It is very compulsory to use the word being. So the formation in the passive voice कैसे हो जाएगा? was were plus being plus V3 form of the verb, ऐसे आपको लगाना है. तो TV is the object, second object, that will come in the starting. So TV was being watched when I got home by them. You can add here, they will change to them, वो add कर सकते हो आप. Then the next one is प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट. नाउ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में क्या होता है रूल? हैज़ हैव प्लस V3 फॉर्म. हैज़ हैव क्लीन्ड. सो द सेंटेंस इज आई हैव क्लीन्ड माई रूम. अब सी रूल फॉर इन ऑल दैट डूअर रिसीवर, तो यू हैव टू चेंज, दैट इज कंपल्सरी. हमेशा डूअर रिसीवर बन जाएगा पैसिव वॉइस में और रिसीवर है वो डूअर बन जाएगा. So that is तो compulsory in all tense and rest this rules you have to apply for that. तो how it will change? जब भी present perfect हो या past perfect हो, जैसे continuous में you were adding BEING being, in perfect tense you have to add BEEN been. So has have plus been plus V3 form of the verb. So my room will come in the starting. My room has been cleaned by I का here it is not written, you can write I, it will change to me. So by me, that way. Now let's move on to past perfect tense. Now past perfect tense, it is given had plus V3 form for identification. That time Thomas had read the book before he saw the film. Again the same rule, but here been is being used here, but had will be there. In present perfect has have you are using, and in past perfect had plus been plus V3 form of the verb. So how it will change? The book had been read by Thomas before he saw the film. ऐसे आपको चेंज करना है. बट जब आप लोग पैसिव वॉइस से एक्टिव में चेंज करते हो तो सेम रूल, तो आपको उसके बेस फॉर्म को खाली कर देना है और बाकी वापस ये डूअर रिसीवर अपनी अपनी जगह पे आ जाएंगे. ऐसे आपको चेंज करना है और इसमें से बीन और वो वर्ड्स निकल जाएंगे. इसका उल्टा आपको इसमें करना है, बट रूल एक ही फॉलो होगा दोनों में. खाली आपको ये दोनों फॉर्म याद रखने कि किस में क्या करना होता है, कौन से वर्ड्स यूज होते हैं. Now when it is future simple, that time will or verb is given. जैसे they will write a test paper tomorrow. So that way here in future simple how it will change? Will plus be plus V3 form of the verb. Like this it will change. जैसे a test paper will be written by, they will change to them tomorrow. And lastly when it is given going to, तो उसमें is are और going to दिया होगा कि he is going to make a speech next week. तो what it will change to? is are going to plus खाली एक be word लग जाएगा उसमें. जैसे a speech is going to be made by him. That way. Now before moving on to the next slide, I would like to show you an animated video. So in that it is given explained what I explained, that is again explained properly. So it will be again revised and you will come to know very nicely. So let's first watch that video. So children, I hope you enjoyed the video and understood the concept behind active and passive voice. Once again, we'll revise the rules which I explained you, that is being given in here with the verb forms. In simple present tense, if the verb is sell, it will change to is sold. If it is continuous, is selling, it will change to is being sold. And if it is simple past, means sold, so it will change to was sold. Here you have to add was ya were depending on the subject, and here also is a mar depending on the subject. Now past continuous was selling will change to was being sold. V3 form is compulsory in all the tenses. Then next is present perfect, has sold will change to has been sold. Then past perfect, it is had sold will change to had been sold. Then if it is future will sell, it will change to will be sold. Then conditional, which we learned, if this type of sentences comes ki would sell, so it will change to would be sold. Perfect conditional would have sold will change to, if it is perfect you have to add one word being, so would have been sold. Then if it is present infinitive means to sell, so it will change to be sold. And present perfect infinitive to have sold will change to, perfect comes, so you have to add BEEN been, to have been sold. Then present participle or gerunds are used if selling, it will change to only being selling, being sold, sorry. And the lastly perfect participle, if it is given having sold, will change to having been sold, this way. Now let's move on to the changes of pronouns, how it will change from active to passive. If it is in active it is I, it will change to me in passive, and vice versa. When you are changing from passive to active, if it is given me, it will change to I, that way. And if it is we, will change to us. You will remain as it is in both the voices. He will change to him, she will change to her, and it will remain as it is. And lastly they will change to them. Now see how the changes is taking place in this slide. I have shown ki the subject, this is the subject, the dog. Verb phrase is chased and the object is the cat. How it is changing, the cat will, here the dog is the doer and the cat is the receiver. The receiver in the passive voice it will change and it will become the doer, and dog will become the receiver. Just say the sentence will change, and it is chased means past tense it is there, so you have to add was plus V3 form. So it will change like this, the cat was chased by the dog. Then this it will change, just say this will become the subject, this will remain verb phrase, and it will become the agent. And by is very compulsory when you are changing from active to passive voice, you have to use the word by. Now next, how there are changes in imperative sentence. This was about simple sentences which you were changing. Now when you are changing from imperative sentences in from active to passive voice, so what all rules you have to follow for that, I'll explain you. Okay, this is not given in the textbook, so please listen carefully. If the given sentence in the active voice is in imperative means commanding sentences, you all know. So to get the passive voice, use let. So when you are changing the imperative sentences from active to passive, you have to use the word let. Okay, so hence the passive voice, how will be the formation? Let plus object plus be plus past participle means V3 form. Okay, now in this, see, I'll show you the example so it will be more clear. This is the formation. This formation you have to use for imperative sentences. So in this, how it will change? See, it is given help me. It's an imperative sentence. So let plus object is me, and be you have added be, and past participle of the verb means verb, here it is help. So it will change helped, V3 form. So let me be helped. This way it will change. Open the door. Now here the door is the object. So let the door, then you will add be and opened V3 form. Now next see, don't eat this fruit. Now in this first you will add let, then not, negative it is, so you have to put not, and the object is this fruit, then you will put be and eat V3 form eaten. Let not this fruit be eaten. Now the next last one is sing a song. Now song is the object, so let a song, then be and V3 form sung. Let a song be sung. Now I'll show you another type when you are not using this let form. These two types for imperative you can use. Now permission, request and advice, that is imperative form. In that passive voice, when no object is given, when object is not there, that time how you will use. In that previous one slide which I showed, in that objects were there. So when objects were there, that time how you were changing, you have to use the let formation. But when no object is given, you have to begin the sentence with you are allowed, requested or advised. That way you are allowed, requested or advised, that way you have to change. Now let's see the example so that it will be more clear to you. See, here it is given one example, please come soon. This is in active voice. So you are requesting somebody, please. So how you will start the sentence? You are requested, then you have to add to, then rest part, come soon. You are requested to come soon. This way you will do when the object is not there in the sentence. See the second example, please don't talk loudly. Again please means requesting is there. So how you will change? You are requested. Now don't is there, so it is negative, so you will put not. To talk loudly. This way you have to change in imperative sentences. Okay. Now let's move on to the next part. Here it is the same formation which I showed you, passive of imperative let. And when object is not there, that time you have to start the word. Here see, open the door, which I explained you that way. Let the door be opened. Let plus object plus be plus verb 3. Next, let him open the door. So him is given, so this will become the receiver backside, so it will change. Let the door be opened by him, that way. So let plus object plus be plus V3 form word and by plus subject, that way, if the subject is there that time. Now let's move on to the next, that is voice change. Some examples are there of interrogative sentence. Children, this topic is not there for this time, but I am explaining you so that it will be useful for you in the previous class, next classes. So I'll just fastly explain how in question form sentences you can change from active to passive. This is also easy. The same rules you have to apply which you were applying in the simple sentences. जैसे did you teach us. Now did teach means it is which tense? Simple past tense. So simple past tense was, what rule was there? Was where plus V3 form. So instead of did, you के here us will change to we and we के साथ हम लोग क्या लगाते हैं? Was where में से were. So from with were you will start the question. Were we, teach will change V3 form, taught by you. This way you have to change the question form. Now the next is she has to prepare food. So that is has to prepare means how this sentence will change. Ki food will come in starting and she will change to her. So food has to be prepared, V3 form, by her. Then next one is who told you about the accident. Now when who word is coming, you have to start with by whom. So by whom, and told is past tense, so were you, because it is a question. So you will remain there only and this will go at the back side, and here you will write were you told, rest will remain as it is. So question formation ही वो रहेगा, that's why you are forming like this. Now next is people are destroying the jungle. Now are destroying, this is present continuous, this is a simple sentence. So the jungle continuous में you are using is plus being plus V3 form, and here you can add by the people, that way. Now let's begin with our chapter now. The things which I explained you, that only is given over here. जैसे two examples are given, one is in active voice and the other is in passive voice, that way. Now here the same thing is been explained, so I am not explaining it to you again. Here the same thing is there, ki the doer of the action, that is in active voice and the receiver is in passive voice. That time you have to use the changing the words from active to passive. The same is been, examples are given over here. Now let's move on to the next page. This is also the same thing, the pronouns which I explained you, subject position and object position, how it is been done. You have to apply the rules properly and do the sentences, okay. Then the same type of examples of all the tenses are given over here. You can go through this in your textbook, that is page number 71, and same I explained you giving another examples, okay. So now let's move on to our exercise. Here direct, indirect, two objects are there. That time how you can change. We'll move on to the exercise so that your idea will be more clear. Our first exercise is write A for active voice and P for passive voice against these sentences. Now how will you identify it is active voice and passive voice? I have underlined the words so that you can come to know कि which is. One thing is clear कि in passive voice by लगता है, तो by हो तो automatically you can say it is passive voice. Now see here, यहाँ पे read word है. Read is in present tense, simple present, और उसमें कुछ add नहीं हुआ, that is it is active. नाउ हियर वॉज प्लस V3 फॉर्म भी दिया हुआ है, बाय भी दिया हुआ है, तो ये कौन सा वॉइस होगा? पैसिव वॉइस. देन थर्ड वन से मीन्स इट इज सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, तो वो कौन सा वॉइस हुआ? एक्टिव वॉइस. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन अगेन रीड, प्रेजेंट टेंस, सो इट इज एक्टिव वॉइस. नाउ सी हियर हैव बीन सॉल्व्ड, मतलब ये प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में वर्ड्स ऐड करके यूज हुआ है एंड बाय लगाया हुआ है, सो दिस सेंटेंस इज इन पैसिव वॉइस. द सेम वे हियर ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी मेड प्लस बाय भी लगा है, सो इट इज पैसिव वॉइस. नाउ द सेवेंथ वन, जूलिया हैज बीन टीचिंग. नाउ बीन वर्ड यूज हुआ है, बट इन दिस सी वन थिंग यू कैन सी, इट बाय इज नॉट गिवन. So it is which voice? Active voice. But actually dear children, this one by it is not used, but this been word is coming, so you have to change it. Here it will be passive voice, not active voice, because been word is used in been word is used, but with that V3 form is not used and by is also not given, so it is active voice only. If it would be taught, has been taught दिया होता, तो वो हो जाता passive voice में. So this is active voice. Now eighth one, will दिया है, be accepted V3 form, और word दिया है by, तो ये कौन सा वॉइस हुआ? पैसिव वॉइस. नेक्स्ट वन अगेन विल बी गिवन. सी हियर बाय इज नॉट गिवन, बट हियर V3 फॉर्म इज यूज्ड, सो इट इज पैसिव वॉइस. एंड देन हैड हैंडेड, एंड इसमें बाय नहीं है, दैट इज पास्ट परफेक्ट, सो वो है एक्टिव वॉइस में. सी चिल्ड्रन, अगर कभी कभी बाय ना दिया हो, बट अगर वो V3 फॉर्म दे आर यूजिंग, so it will be passive voice. But if they are not using V3 form and the other form is given, so it will be active voice only. Now children, this B exercise, it is not related for this chapter, means it won't be coming like this. So this exercise you have to cut. This type of things are not been asked, and somewhat in this some mistakes are also there. So cut this exercise B. No need to write this exercise. Let's move on to the next exercise, that is C. Now in this exercise you have to decide whether the sentences are written in active voice or passive voice. You have to tick the correct options are given over here, whether it is active or passive, that you have to tick it, okay. So children, how we identified in the first exercise, that way only I have underlined some words over here. That way you can identify whether it is in active voice or passive voice. So here see, the words are given, had been won and the word is by, so it will be passive voice. Then the next one, was written and by word is used, again it is passive voice. Then here the word by is not there and only answered, it is past tense, simple past tense, so it is which voice? Active voice. Yes. Now the next is have sold, means present perfect tense, so it is active voice, the word by is not used in this. Then fifth one is repairing, means present continuous tense is there, so it is active voice, no other words are used in between. Here was not given. Now see children, here the word by is not used, but the word used are was and the V3 form of give, so you can say it is passive voice. Then here the word feeds, here it is given, it is present tense, so it is active voice. And last one, in that it is given will advertise, means future tense and the word by is not used, so it is active voice. You have to tick it. Okay. Then now let's move on to the next exercise, that is D exercise. You have to complete these sentences in the passive voice. Now active voice is given to you, you have to change it to passive voice. Here I have underlined the words, so you can come to know it is which tense and which words you have to apply according to the rules. Now here it is given, the judge has given the verdict. Has given means it is perfect, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में आपको क्या रूल अप्लाई करना है? हैज़ प्लस बीन प्लस V3 फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब, और ये दोनों वर्ड इंटरचेंज हो जाएंगे बाय लग के. सो कैसे सेंटेंस बनेगा? द वर्डिक्ट हैज़ बीन गिवन बाय द जज. नाउ द सेकेंड वन इज द वेटर kept the plates on the table. Now kept is past tense, so past tense में you have to put was were plus V3 form of the verb. So how it will change? The plates were, plates are plural, so you will use the word were लगाओगे. kept on the table by the waiter, ऐसे आपको change करना है. Now the third one is the teacher had already informed the parents. अब इसमें had और inform, already is a word, it is in between, that you will put it here also, but ये had और V3 form, that is past perfect tense, और उसमें भी word कौन सा लगेगा? been. so कैसे हो जाएगा? the parents had already been informed by the teacher, that way. Now fourth one, Anita and her friends were watching the match. अब were watching it is past continuous. continuous में आपको कौन सा word यूज़ करना है बीच में? being, और उसके साथ उसका ये verb का V3 form. so कैसे change होगा? the match was being watched by Anita and her friends. यहाँ पे मैच सिंगुलर है, इसीलिए आपने कौन सा वर्ड यूज़ किया? was. सिंगुलर हो तो was एंड प्लूरल हो तो were, वैसे. देन फिफ्थ वन, the teacher have given us extra homework before the holidays. अब have given, that is present perfect tense, ये आइडेंटिफाई हो गया. have प्लस V3 फॉर्म, तो उसमें being यूज, being वर्ड आप यूज़ करोगे BEEN been. सो कैसे चेंज हो जाएगा? एक्स्ट्रा होमवर्क हैज़ बीन गिवन, यहाँ पे होमवर्क सिंगुलर, सो हैज़, इफ इट इज़ प्लूरल यू विल यूज हैव. सो हैज़ बीन गिवन to us by the teacher before, that way. Now the next one is, even before the mechanic arrived, my sister had already fixed the stove. had already fixed means it is past perfect tense, तो उसमें कौन सा perfect है? मतलब BEEN been यूज होगा, एंड बाकी तो had प्लस been प्लस V3 फॉर्म. वैसे the stove had already been fixed by my sister, बाकी का रेस्ट कॉपी कर लेना है, before the mechanic arrived, this way. Then the seventh one is, we could move all the paintings to the hall. अब could है, तो could है वो मैंने आप लोग को बताया था कंडीशनल, उसमें could be करके V3 फॉर्म आपको यूज़ करना है. सो कैसे चेंज होगा? all the paintings could बी एंड ये मूव्ड V3 फॉर्म टू द हॉल। यहाँ पे आप ऐड कर सकते हो, बाय वी का हो जाएगा अस। इफ़ यू डोंट ऐड देन ऑल्सो इट्स ओके। देन द 8th वन इज मेक श्योर दैट यू कीप ऑल द शर्ट्स ऑन वन शेल्फ। अब कीप है वो प्रेजेंट टेंस है, तो उसके साथ इज MR प्लस V3 फॉर्म आपको रूल अप्लाई करना है। इन दैट कैसे सेंटेंस चेंज होगा, मेक श्योर दैट ऑल द शर्ट्स आर, शर्ट्स ज़्यादा है तो आप कौन सा वर्ड लगाओगे, आर, और V3 फॉर्म कीप का हो जाएगा केप्ट ऑन वन शेल्फ। बाय you can add here, but if you don't add then also it's okay. Now the 9th one is Shruti was reading a book on botany. Now was reading past continuous है, उसमें क्या रूल अप्लाई होगा, was were प्लस being, BEING, being प्लस V3 फॉर्म आपको लगाना है। So a book of on botany was being read by Shruti, ऐसे हो जाएगा। इट्स वेरी इजी चिल्ड्रन, वंस यू अंडरस्टैंड द रूल्स यू कैन चेंज एनी सेंटेंसेस एक फॉर्म से दूसरे फॉर्म तक। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज प्रिया इज असिस्टिंग हेमंत इन हिज प्रोजेक्ट। अब इसमें हेमंत आ जाएगा आगे, इज ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है, इज असिस्टिंग मीन्स प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में का रूल आपको अप्लाई करना है, इज MR प्लस बीइंग प्लस V3 फॉर्म। सो हो जाएगा हेमंत इज बीइंग असिस्टेड बाय प्रिया, बाकी रेस्ट एज इट इज, इन हिज प्रोजेक्ट, ऐसे आपको चेंज करना है। अब नेक्स्ट, द रिनोवेटर्स डिड अ परफेक्ट जॉब। अब परफेक्ट जॉब आगे आ जाएगा, डिड है पास्ट टेंस है तो वॉज प्लस V3 फॉर्म यूज करोगे, वॉज वेयर प्लस V3 फॉर्म। अ परफेक्ट जॉब वॉज डन बाय द रिनोवेटर्स, बाय लगा के ये डूअर रिसीवर हो जाएगा, रिसीवर डूअर हो जाएगा। देन 12th वन इज people used compasses to find their way at sea. In that compasses were, अब इसमें used है, that is which tense, past tense, yes. In that you have to use was were plus V3 form. Now when it is plural you will use were. So compasses were used by people to find their way at sea. Okay. Now the 13th one is they invited, again past tense, Michael to the concert. So Michael singular है तो you will put was, invited by they will change to them to the concert. Pronouns जैसे I explained you कि कैसे pronouns change होते हैं, that way you have to change the pronouns. Now the next one is 14th one, the sparrows were building a nest on the tree. अब were building, that is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense, what is the rule, was were plus being plus V3 form of the verb. So कैसे change हो जाएगा, a nest singular है इसीलिए आप क्या लगाओगे, was, then continuous में BEING being and V3 form will be built by the sparrows on the tree. The same way the last one, the principal is going to announce the term results tomorrow. अब सेम वे द गोइंग टू फॉर्म वाला जो मैंने रूल एक्सप्लेन किया था, गोइंग टू के साथ बी प्लस V3 फॉर्म। सो द टर्म रिजल्ट इसके जगह आर हो जाएगा बिकॉज इट इज रिजल्ट्स ज़्यादा है, तो आर गोइंग टू बी अनाउंस्ड बाय द प्रिंसिपल टुमारो, ऐसे आपको चेंज करना है। सो नेक्स्ट is change the voice in this sentences. Now whichever voice is given उसका उल्टा आपको चेंज करना है, अगर एक्टिव में है तो पैसिव में, एंड पैसिव में है तो एक्टिव में, दैट वे यू विल चेंज। नाउ सायरा बॉट अ ब्यूटीफुल गाउन। नाउ बॉट इज पास्ट टेंस, so was were plus this is in active voice, you have to change to passive voice, that way. So a beautiful gown was bought by Saira. Now see children, this way how I have written the answers, you have to also underline it and write down the answers over here only. Okay, now see the second one, Saranya is driving a new scooter, present continuous, तो कैसे चेंज होगा, कंटिन्यूअस में BEING बीइंग लगा के आपको चेंज करना है। अ न्यू स्कूटर इज बीइंग ड्राइवन बाय सरन्या। नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट वन, अब देखो ये है वो इम्परेटिव सेंटेंस वाला फॉर्म, यू आर इंस्ट्रक्टेड। अब आर इंस्ट्रक्टेड है वो पैसिव फॉर्म है, टू क्लोज द डोर आफ्टर यू लीव. ओके, तो आपको उसको एक्टिव फॉर्म में चेंज करना होगा. सो सिंपल वे में यू विल राइट क्लोज द डोर आफ्टर यू लीव. दैट वे आई एक्सप्लेन यू, दैट वे यू हैव टू डू. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज Kaushik is being transferred to Delhi by his boss. अगेन सी बाय आ गया, V3 फॉर्म आ गया, तो यह है पैसिव वॉइस में आपको इसको एक्टिव में चेंज करना है. अब ये बीइंग वर्ड है, एक्टिव में चेंज कर रहे हो तो आपको बीइंग वर्ड हटा देना है. और बीइंग आप कब यूज़ करते हो कि जब वो इज प्लस बीइंग प्लस V3 फॉर्म कब यूज़ होता है, जब वो सेंटेंस होता है प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में. इसीलिए आपको वो चेंज करके लिखना है कंटिन्यूअस में, और ये जो पीछे का वर्ड है वो आगे जाएगा, आगे का वर्ड पीछे जाएगा. तो कैसे सेंटेंस बन जाएगा, हिज बॉस इज, और ये V3 फॉर्म में ING लगाना है, कंटिन्यूअस है तो बीइंग निकल जाएगा, इसीलिए इज ट्रांसफरिंग कौशिक टू दिल्ली. ऐसे. नेक्स्ट इज पार्टी मेंबर्स वेलकम्ड देयर लीडर. अब इसमें देखो वेलकम्ड पास्ट टेंस है, दिस इज एक्टिव वॉइस, यू हैव टू चेंज टू पैसिव. So you can identify ki which is active and which is passive and then change according to that. So the leader was welcomed by the party members, that way. अब इसमें देखो by दिया हुआ है, was invented मतलब past tense. was और V3 फॉर्म कब यूज़ होता है, पास्ट टेंस में. तो आपको ये थॉमस आगे जाएगा, लाइट बल्ब पीछे जाएगा और खाली इन्वेंटेड ये was निकल जाएगा, बाय निकल जाएगा, और आपको पास्ट टेंस में ये सेंटेंस चेंज करना है. सो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा, थॉमस एल्वा एडिशन इन्वेंटेड द लाइट बल्ब. ऐसे आपको चेंज करना है. अगेन सी यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू लीव योर शूज आउटसाइड द टेम्पल. अब यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड है, सो यू कैन स्टार्ट ओनली, ये यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड निकल जाएगा, प्लीज लीव योर शूज आउटसाइड द टेम्पल. सिंपल वे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज सेव इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. इन दिस द ऑब्जेक्ट इज नॉट देयर, सो हाउ यू विल चेंज, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फिर शुड लगाना है प्लस बी, मतलब ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस शुड प्लस बी प्लस V3 फॉर्म, दैट इज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी शुड बी सेव्ड. ओके, वर्ब का V3 फॉर्म. हियर प्लीज मेंटेन साइलेंस इन द लाइब्रेरी. हाउ यू विल चेंज, द लाइब्रेरी शुड बी silent. Okay, that way. Here the object is not there another, so you have to write like this. Now next let form is given, you have to change to, let form is given means it is passive voice, so you have to change to active voice. कि जैसे let your teachers be respected by you. So how you will change, let निकल जाएगा और इसका respected का respect पहले हो जाएगा, respect your teachers. Simple form. Imperative में you have to change. Now the next one is, let's move on to the next exercise, that is for oral practice, but we will write down this exercise in the textbook. So how you will, what you have to do, say this sentences aloud in the passive voice, means they are given in active, you have to change to passive. Same way what rules we have applied, that same way you have to do it as it is. See, the first one is already been done. I have underlined the sentence, this verbs also, so that you can identify it. Here made is in past tense, तो उसका कैसे आप चेंज कर दोगे, ये आगे आ जाएगा. These models were made by those talented artists. Next is can lift. अब ये मॉडल आ गया, तो मॉडल जब आता है तब आपको क्या बीच में लगाना है, बी लगा के V3 फॉर्म. So this suitcase can be lifted by that little boy. This way you have to change. See the fourth one, the school will celebrate. अब will celebrate future है, will celebrate में how you will change, will celebrate में आपको खाली क्या करना है, will be और V3 फॉर्म लगाना है. So the annual day will be celebrated by, ये doer है वो receiver बन गया, by the school. वैसे then the fifth one is the teacher scolded. past tense आ गया scolded में, तो was where plus V3 form you will use. साक्षी, तो साक्षी आगे आगे आ जाएगा, साक्षी was scolded by our teacher for talking in class. This way. Now see, one question form is given which I explained you in this, one only question form is there. जैसे are you looking into your complaint. अब are और looking is present continuous, तो बाकी का सेम एज इट इज़ होगा, आर कंप्लेंट आगे आ जाएगा, यू पीछे चला जाएगा एंड BEING बीइंग यूज़ करना है। अब आर कंप्लेंट के साथ वी आर यूजिंग इज आर कंप्लेंट बीइंग, लुकिंग का V3 फॉर्म लुक्ड इनटू और बाय यू, ऐसे आपको क्वेश्चन फॉर्म में चेंज करना है। सी द 7th वन, वी हैव फॉरवर्डेड दिया है, मतलब दैट इज इन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट। प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में हैज़, हैव प्लस बीन प्लस V3 फॉर्म, तो कैसे चेंज हो जाएगा? योर ईमेल हैज़ बीन फॉरवर्डेड टू द हेड ऑफिस, बाय अस आप यहाँ ऐड कर सकते हैं। एंड द लास्ट वन, द स्कूल अथॉरिटीज़ हैव ओपनड, अब हैव ओपनड इज अगेन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, सो वो ये स्टूडेंट कैंटीन आगे आएगा। A student canteen has been opened by the school authorities. Now let's move on to the next exercise. Here also you have to say these sentences aloud as notices in the passive voice में change करना है। First one दिया हुआ है, see the second one, we do not allow heavy vehicles on the bridge. ओके, यह नोटिस आपको डालनी है, तो पैसिव वॉइस में आप कैसे चेंज करेंगे? हैवी व्हीकल्स आगे आएगा, नॉट अलाउड मीन्स आपको इम्परेटिव फॉर्म में नोटिस देनी है, तो वो इम्परेटिव कमांडिंग फॉर्म में होनी चाहिए। सो आप कैसे लिखोगे? हैवी व्हीकल्स नॉट अलाउड ऑन ब्रिज, ऐसे होगा चेंज। सी द थर्ड वन, वी रिपेयर मोबाइल फोन्स हियर। अगेन रिपेयर है, वो पास्ट टेंस, आपको क्या करना है, खाली जो वर्ब है उसको पास्ट टेंस में चेंज करना है जब आप नोटिस दे रहे हो तब। सो रिपेयर का रिपेयर्ड हो जाएगा, मोबाइल फोन्स रिपेयर्ड हियर, ऐसे आप चेंज करोगे। देन फोर्थ वन, वी चेंज फॉरेन करेंसी हियर, तो अगेन फॉरेन करेंसी चेंज का चेंज्ड हियर, सिंपल फॉर्म। फिफ्थ वन, वी डू नॉट अलाउ फूड एंड ड्रिंक इन द लाइब्रेरी, अब अलाउ का अलाउड हो जाएगा नॉट के साथ, सो फूड एंड ड्रिंक आगे, नॉट अलाउड इन लाइब्रेरी, सिंपल फॉर्म यू हैव टू यूज। सिक्स्थ वन, वी बाय एंड सेल यूज्ड बुक्स। नाउ ओल्ड बुक्स, यूज्ड बुक्स मीन्स आप उसको चेंज कर सकते हो, ओल्ड बुक्स, बॉट बाय का पास्ट टेंस बॉट एंड सेल का पास्ट टेंस सोल्ड हियर। सी द लास्ट वन, we do not allow children below the age of 5 to go on the roller coaster. So कैसे चेंज हो जाएगा? Children below the age of 5, below 5 years of age not allowed, V3 form, on the roller coaster. ये कमांडिंग सेंटेंसेस है, so just आपको वर्ब को पास्ट टेंस में चेंज करके लिखना है। Now children, this exercise you have to put across like this, how I have done. And I hope you would have understood this many exercise and the video and all what you have watched. So I hope you understood everything. So dear children, watch the video properly and complete this exercise how I have written with a pencil in the textbook itself. And the rest part I will explain you in the next part of the video. Thank you dear children.